Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have KLEIN Tools slotted screw holding driver kit, model number 85153K. The sizes are 3/16 inch, and that's in other words 5 millimeters, and the other one is 1/4 inch, and that'll be 6 millimeter. This screwdriver set has been on the market. Hold on, I had it up. I think it's been on the market since 2000. I want to say 15, I believe. It was, 2015. According to Google, I could be wrong on that, but everything was like 2015. And I believe it's still in rotation to this day. The ones that the KLEIN used to sell before had the hard plastic handle. They didn't have the cushion grip handle. It had the plastic handle. But what made me purchase this screwdriver set is because now I already have the Phillips screw holding screwdrivers from KLEIN, and I have another one. I think it's from KLEIN, and I believe I have one from Weha. Right, I have one from Weha, and they're very nice, very nice. I tell you what, it's one of my special. I put it in my specialty tool bag, and it's a very nice. It's one of those tools that you need to have that you wouldn't want to be caught without. You may not use it every day, but you're glad that you do have it when it is time to use it. But guys, before I continue, I'm asking for your support of the channel. If you like what I do, if you like the tools that I show off, you can support the channel right now by looking at the video. You can just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell right on the side of it. And you can post a comment or ask a comment or question. Hit that share button and just in support of the channel, and it's for free. I really do appreciate that you guys who are supporting the channel. I'm asking for your continued support. Your new watchers, I hope that you're convinced or you're seeing something that you like about the channel and you want to support it. And don't forget, it's all for free. Anyway, this is a nice screwdriver to have. The taller one is about 4 inches, long, and the other one probably, let me see, probably 2. I would say maybe 2 inches. No, longer than that. 3 maybe, I guess. I'm just guessing, but they are some really nice screwdrivers. And this is just some plastic that came with it. Let me pull that off. But this just some. It's really nice. And I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how much that I'll be using this screwdriver. But if I need it, I have it. The price did not break the bank. I think I paid something like less than $20 for it, for sure. Maybe 15. But I got it from Amazon. So really nice screwdriver. And the smaller one, same thing. Really nice to have. It's not often that I use slotted screws anyway, but sometimes it's not that you're buying slotted screws to install. Sometimes something that you're working on have slotted screws and have like a hex head on it, or a nut driver head on it, and have a slotted, like a screwdriver. It fits for a slotted screwdriver, and you may have to reinstall those screws. So, these kind of tools come in handy. Like I said, it's not something that you'll be carrying around even if you're working on an electrical panel or what have you, but it's a tool that's needed. So that's what made me get it. I like to always be prepared at all time, no matter what I'm working on or around. I like to be prepared for it. So it's not much more than just that. It's that what I just showed you guys. It has this little that closes up. When you push this up like this, it closes it up and make it look like that, and kind of like widens it up to fit inside the slot where it tightens up on it and hold it enough for you to, start the screw. That's all these screwdrivers are for, just to start the screw. It's not for to put pressure, because this can bend. This is really kind of flexible. That can bend if you're trying to loosen something with this, if it's not loosened already. So that's that. Okay, so like I said, not much more I can say about these screwdrivers. I do recommend them if you don't have a set. It don't have to come from KLEIN. There's other people on the market that sell them. I just happened to see these one by KLEIN. It had a cushion grip handle, and the price, was okay. So that's why I got them. So, and again, it's not one of those screwdrivers that you may be using every day, but you'll be glad that you just bought. It'll be a good investment anyway. So with that being said, guys, I want to thank you for letting me allow me to take up your time, and I hope you meet me back here for the next video. Don't forget to support the channel. There will be other videos coming. So until next time, I'm out.